Hello guys, in today's tutorial we are going to learn nested if statement. So here you can observe the syntax. Okay, so in Excel sheet, if you want to put more than one criteria, then in that case nested if statement will be useful. So nested if means one if statement is present within second if. So you have the multiple if statement. You can count here in the syntax. We have 3. You may have 4, 5 up to n. It depends on your criteria, how many criteria you are having. So here you observe here third if statement is present within second. Then here both present within first. So this is nested if statement. Okay, so here in this syntax I am using 3 if statement. You can have 4, 5, it depends on how many criteria you are having. So here this is the first if statement is having condition. Whenever it is true, it will return the true value because the condition is having two cases, true and false. It will be either true or it will be false. So if the condition is true, it will return true value, otherwise it will return the false value. So in place of false we have the if. So if it is true, it will return this value, otherwise your control will go in the second if. If will do again the same kind of work whichever the first one do. So what happen here in the second if statement, if the condition is true, it will return true value, otherwise it will return the false value. But in place of false, again we have the if statement. So if the condition is false, it will check next if statement. So if does again the same kind of work. So if the condition is true, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So here the false is optional value. If you want, you can keep, otherwise don't mention, it depends on you. So this is the syntax of if statement. And while doing nested if, you have to be cautious because number of bracket will be used. Okay, so at the end you have to close all the bracket. If you have 3 if statement, you have to close 3 times. Okay, so this thing is important. So now here I want to give remark on the basis of progress grade. Okay, so what happen if the grade is 1, I want to give remark bad. If it is 2, I want to give remark average. If it is 3, it is good. If it is more than 3, it is excellent. So this kind of remark I want to give. So here you should use if statement. Nested if statement is required. Opening bracket. So first one is test. Okay, and now you are aware about syntax also. So here for putting condition, I want to put this address. And if this address value equals to 1, okay, then it should return true value. And here I want to show here message bad if the grade value is 1, comma, and then second if statement immediately you have to use opening bracket. Then again I am using this equal to 2, then comma, put the true value here. And the true value is, if the B3 value is 2, then it should be average. Then closing double quote, and after that again comma. So here this is the true value. Okay, and if it is not true, then you have to use if statement again. So again condition, if it is equals to 3. Okay, if the condition is 3, then so if B3 equals to 3, then I want to put good remark, closing. So here what happened, I have 3 if statement. Then here I want to put false also. So if it is not matching with 1, 2, 3, then here I want to put excellent. Means if it is more than 3, then ultimately it will be excellent. Then closing brackets all 3. So what happen if the cell value is 1, it will show bad. Otherwise the false value means second if statement. If it is true, average. Otherwise if first and second false, then it will check third. If it is 3, good. And all 3 cases are false, then it will jump on excellent. Let's check now. So here it is good. Now you can check other remark. So here I am using, in every remark I am using capital letter. So here also it's better if I use capital letter. Press enter. Now here the capital letters are coming. So you see carefully now and recheck the data. If 3, then it is good. 2 means average. 1 is bad. More than 3, excellent. More than 4, excellent. So in this way you can give the remark by using multiple criteria, by using nested if statement. So here the main thing is you should remember the syntax of nested if, and you should understand how it works. Then by your own you can keep the condition. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.